Hi, here is Abid Usman. You are watching my YouTube channel, Learn English with Abi. We are learning English through reading newspaper or news. Now, news update from Middle East crisis. Now, let me read news. As Israel had vowed retaliation for Iran's first ever direct strike on the country. So it struck Iran on early Friday and blasted at military base near the city of Isfahan. But Israel claimed that the strike as a limited response designed to avoid escalating tensions. Iran's state media also confirmed that military and nuclear facilities were safe. Now, both states, Israel and Iran, are trying to play down the matter. Interestingly, the state media of Syria did not mention it, although it is a close ally of Iran. Now look at difficult words. Wow. Wow means swear or declare. Ahad karna. Wow table. Wow. Wows. Wowed. Wowed. Wowing. Retaliation means reprisal. Intakam. Badla. Strike. Strike means hit. मारना हमला करना strike strikes struck striking blast means shoot उड़ा देना धमाका करना उड़ा देना धमाका करना blast blasts blasted blasting escalate means increase बढ़ाना escalates escalating play down means minimize कम करना. Thanks for watching.